Good morning, dear students of Prepa Línea CEP. Today we're going to present how to develop the actividades integradoras from Module 6. Actividad integradora número 3, actividad integradora número 4, and the Learning Forum. Okay, let's start. In the actividad integradora 3, Be My Guest, you need to imagine that you're inviting a foreign person to your house. So you need to show different places of your houses and showing the objects that there are in your house. For example, you need to talk about vocabulary, personal pronouns, verb to be, colors, adjectives, in order, possessive pronouns, demonstrative adjectives, and prepositions of place. In this one, you're asked to elaborate sentences where you mention the places and the location of different objects. You get the images, so you need to describe where is each object and how to locate the objects into the pictures. Okay, so for following the structure of the sentences, you need to say the pronoun possessive or the possessive pronoun, my, the adjective. You need to qualify the object, if it is nice, big, small, red, black, new, all, blue. And then you need to mention the noun, TV, pen, shoes, suitcases, book, t-shirts, etc. And the verb to be, is or are. We're gonna use is if it is singular, we're gonna use are if it is plural, and you need to locate the prepositions of place according to the location of the object. You can use in, on, at, next to, under, in front of, near, close to, and the complement, that means the place where the object is. Okay, for example, I have my blue shoes are, because shoes are plural, my blue shoes are under the bedroom. Okay, so you need to pay attention to the location of the objects in the pictures, and then you need to describe where are the objects in the pictures. Okay, for sending the activity, you're going to download the document, Be My Guest, then you're going to edit the file, and once you have written your sentences, you're going to record the audio, and then you're going to send it on the name of that you're asked to. You're going to write your last name, semana, the week you're working, the actividad integradora it is, so actividad integradora número 3. For example, you need to write Hernandez Gonzalez, those are your last names. Nayeli is the name. Week 2, actividad integradora number 3. Okay. Once you're already done with the activity, you need to load the activity into the platform, and you need to remember that it's on the format with the extension doc or docx. Okay, so that's it. That's with actividad integradora number 3. With actividad integradora number 4, okay, it's called Come to My House. You need to indicate or give instructions about how to get to different places. You need to download a document, and then you're going to be asked to give directions in order to get to the places that you are asked for. For developing this activity, you need to work with the adverbs of time and prepositions of place. For example, go down, go straight, walk to blocks, the coffee shops are on Santiago Street. So I wrote this example so you can really first locate or identify where the place that you're going to is. And then you're going to give a short description about where the place is. For example, if you're looking for the coffee shops, okay, they are on Santiago Street, so you just give where exactly are the coffee shops, okay? Maybe you're looking for a restaurant that is asked in the document, so you need to read carefully the document that you're asked to download. It is come with the plantilla, come to my house. You edit the document, you answer the questions, following the instructions of how to get to some place, and then you upload the document into the platform, following the nomenclatura that you're always asked for. For example, you give your last name, your name, semana 2, actividad integradora number 4. Okay. Once you're done with the audio and with the recording, you need to record the sentences, only the sentences, because it's 1 minute and 30 seconds that you need to use in order to complete with the, to be, I, to be, to achieve the recording, okay? It has to be short, not long. So once you have the recording, you download the recording into your document and then you send the document, okay? In the learning forum, remember that this space is not graded, so you're just asked to participate and publish some comments or doubts if you have any about how to get to some place. Maybe you can give directions of how to get to your place, or where do you live, or where exactly is the house that you're living in with your family. Okay, so there are other two activities, as actividades formativas. Those are not graded neither, so you need to solve them into the platform and then you check the responses or the solutions into the platform, so you get an idea of how to integrate the actividades integradoras from this model. Okay, so if you have any questions and you don't understand anything that I'm saying and you need to have the recording in Spanish, okay, in the comments, I'll give you a recommendation of the same video in Spanish, so you can go to that place or to the recording and you can't exactly figure out what you have to do. Okay, so I think that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. And the questions are that I have in the messenger is that if you need to record the activities, yes, you need to record all the sentences. Well, I recommend you do not record all the sentences because it's only 1 minute and 30 seconds. So try to pick up the most important sentences that you think you wrote and the ones that you think are most correct. And you record them so you can get up to the time. There is 1 minute and 30 seconds. If it is important, they ask if it is important to write the name in this order: apellidos, nombre, semana 2, actividad integradora 3. Yes, it is important so I can recognize your activity, because sometimes I work offline and I need to figure out whose activity is this. So if you write your correct name and your last name, because there are lots of Claudias, for example, right now in the platform. So it's like, it is easy to me to identify yourself, and not so easy to write your grade. Okay, so thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. I wish you have a great morning. Enjoy your week, and I'll be waiting for your post into the messenger. Thank you. Have a nice day.